Following the Prime Minister's announcement on the 23rd of March, effectively saying that we are unable to leave our homes, save for certain four exceptions, many of you may now be wondering what is going to happen to your family court hearing. The President of the Family Division has made it very clear that access to family justice is imperative and therefore it needs to be business as normal as long as it is safe to do so. This means that the courts will remain open. However, court hearings that have been listed or are due to be listed will now be taking place remotely rather than at the court building itself. This is to ensure that all parties remain safe and to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Therefore, if you have a court hearing that has already been listed and already has a date, it is imperative that you check with your solicitor, if you have one, or with the court if not, to find out if it's still going ahead on this day and at this time. If so, you will need to work with your solicitor and the court to look at the practical arrangements to setting up the remote hearing. It may be that because they all need to be set up remotely now, there will be a short adjournment to your hearing, but this shouldn't be a long delay. If there are other factors to your hearing that mean that it's likely to be adjourned for longer periods, the court will of course let you know as soon as possible. However, we just want to make it clear to people that family justice has to continue. We are here to support you through this time and the courts will remain open. They are accepting paperwork via emails and will ensure where best possible all hearings can continue, albeit via a remote basis. This means that they'll be taking place by telephone or video conferencing that is readily available to most people already. So in short, court hearings will be going ahead. Speak to your solicitor, speak to the courts and work together to make sure those court hearings can happen.